హాయ్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియో రీసెంట్ గా ఎవరైతే గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ ఫినిష్ చేసుకొని ఆర్ఎల్స్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ నుండి ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ కు జాయిన్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ కానీ ఆర్ఎల్స్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ నుండి థర్డ్ ఇయర్ కి జాయిన్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ కానీ కంపల్సరిగా ఈ వీడియో అనేది హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. దయచేసి వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. బిఫోర్ మూవింగ్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ పర్టికులర్ వీడియో, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ ఛానల్. జూన్ 7th నేను స్టార్ట్ చేయబోయే ఈ బ్యాచ్ is 100% placement job guarantee program. 100% noted, 100%. And the batch size is just 25 members only. And the fees is, which is reasonable. Don't think too much about fees because you will able to return your fees within the first month of the salary itself. ఈ పర్టికులర్ బ్యాచ్ లో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి taught aptitude reasoning, Python programming language with integrated AI, SQL, integrated cloud, data structures and algorithms to solve the coding rounds, advanced data science and artificial intelligence. And within that one, I would like to train you machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and generative AI and all. And one last thing, Azure Cloud Services for implementing agentic AI applications or use cases. This all information, this all particular modules, I am giving an offline and online. And every class it should be recorded. I can give the recordings as well for lifetime access. After completion of this entire modules or in the middle of it only, I would like to be update your resume. If I complete one particular module, again we are updating your resume as well. And we will build you various job portals, including LinkedIn. And behalf of you, we will apply the jobs for you. And we will send you various referrals for attending the interviews, live interviews. And we are helping you here for HR and mock interviews, whatnot, everything. So don't miss this chance because once in a while you will get this kind of offers and all. I am dedicated for you, and if you really dedicated for to get the job, and let's join the demo session. And one more thing, there are 10 days of free trial for in this particular demo session. If and only if you really liked it this 10 days, if you feel it's high quality training, then only you can able to join it. Otherwise, you can take any decision. I will accept you. For more information, you can WhatsApp me, and my WhatsApp number is +91 7696 967632. And my website is www.techskill.com, TEQ Skill.com. And one final thing, if you really like it, please like it, this particular video, and please comment it, and please share to your friends, family members, and relatives. Thanks for watching this particular video.